Out your body and then look at yourself and see how you playing yourself, nigga. This is the blues I'm playing. Congratulations. It's the motherfucking Chase. Yes, it's a final.
YouTube, what's up? Just reveal some of these parts to you guys that I had come in recently and whatnot. Yeah, let's jump to it. Hair studs came in, you know. A couple of other little goodies might have came in, you know. Things like that, you feel me? So, other than that, like I said, let's get to it. I'll quit rapping around here. VTEC cap. Head gasket. Cap for the back of the VTEC solenoid. Control arm for one of my other cars. And same thing. Valve cover gasket kit. Pins for the camshaft. VTEC gasket. Spark plug wires. Intake gasket. Fuel rail. MSD. Spark wire. Another gasket. And timing belt. Yeah. So we back. You know, we're just messing with this the B series. Dropping that in there. D16 transmission with the shift linkage there. Trying to get someone to come pick this up so I can get rid of it. You feel me? But other than that, you know what's going on. She empty, EJ1. Ain't seen it in a minute. But hey, it's here. But let me go ahead and get this up in here. What you say, man?
I said back to the pavement.
Back to the pavement. Hey, yeah, hey, that's the slogan. That's about to be the channel name, man. Back to the pavement.
Yeah, start somewhere.
Man, what? Hey, tell them again, bro. Gotta start somewhere.
Back to the pavement. You gotta start somewhere.
Hey, but stay tuned. So I got that B series transmission up in there.
Where you pointing it at?
Everywhere. But you put the light everywhere. T bracket in there. EG1. Transmission up in there now for the B series. You feel me?
Minor setback for a major comeback.
For sure. You ain't said nothing wrong, bro. Damn right. That's just a little something. You feel me? We're gonna get up out your head. Back on up. Let me back on up. So I done got my mess kind of sort of organized in there. It's a closet. It do what closet things do. It holds stuff. But back to this B series. As you can see, that's what it is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attempt to kind of clean this up just a little bit, you know, in the house or whatnot, because I'm not finna drag this to no car washing, pressure washer, and X, Y, and Z. You know, I got a little solution that I can put together, whatever, you know, Jimmy rig. know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hit this thing with a toothbrush. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm gonna be up front 100 with it. I'm gonna hit this with a toothbrush and some solution. And I'm gonna pray for the best. Hope, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hope for the best. You know what I'm saying? I'm hoping y'all would do the same. Hope for the best for me, you know? Go ahead and smash that like button, you know? Punch that like button. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and do that, you know? Go ahead and subscribe. That way you don't miss any of the content that I put out, regardless of what it is, if it's BS or something you even don't want to watch, but you might find something informational out of there, you feel me? But yeah, I'm going to get right to this real quick and start up. Just want to run my mouth a little bit. I'm happy I got it out that closet, though. Like, it's been in that closet for a long time. You feel me? It's really been in there. It's just been in there, yo. Like, I'm really upset about it, but, you know, some progress is better than no progress. And I'm starting here with this block. I started by purchasing it, and I got it for a great deal. And now I'm ready to go ahead and put it in the car. You feel me? A couple of days later, I'm ready to put it in the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this up with my solution and my brush and see what I can get. You feel me? Stay tuned.